Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a springtime tulip. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page and we're going to draw the outer shape of the top of the tulip flower first. And it's just a curving line that goes down like this and then wraps back around up like a U shape. And up like this. And we'll stop right about there. And then we're gonna curve back down and connect it here. Like that. And then back where we started, we're gonna connect it back down here like this. With a slightly curved line like that. And then we'll do a curved line with kind of a curved point to the top to give the back part of the flower. Like that. Okay, let's draw the stem. And this is just a long straight line all the way down with a curve at the bottom. And then we'll go back to the top and move over a little and we'll do a parallel straight line down. All the way down. Try to keep this as straight as possible and then we'll connect it there like that. Okay, let's do some leaves off the stem, and this is just going to be a curved line up like this to a point, and then we come back down and we kind of curve it in and connect it to the stem like that. And then we'll do the same on this side. It's curving, starting right about here. We'll curve up, a curved line over, come to a point, and then we're gonna curve back down like that. And now let's do a thinner line in the middle to give this leaf on the some shape here. So starting right about there, a thin line up, and we'll stop right about there. And we'll do the same on this side. Curving up, and we'll stop right about there. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make my tulip pink, but you can make yours any color you want. And I'll make my leaves and stem green. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.